Hello guys, Alexander from SHYSKY. I will talk about this micro brushless DC water pump among our series, our DC60D-24120S-1 model. This pump, let's take a look. This is inlet, outlet, both with external diameter about 20 millimeters. Yes. Let's take a look at the sticker. DC60D-24120S-1 model, wattage 24 volts DC, the max static lift about 12 meters, the max flow rate at horizontal level, of course, 3,800 liters per hour. So it is a good feature, yeah, with comprehensively good lift value and also the flow rate value. Okay. Let's take a closer look at this pump body as a whole. Inlet, outlet, not threaded, and this is the base part for convenience of our installation. Of course, when needed, we as users can place extra bubble or rubber base to reduce the vibration or noise at installation between this pump or the equipment or the system. Yeah, this can be suggested. Okay, let's take a look. This is the backside of this pump. This whole pump body can be waterproof, and coming from the pump tail side, this is the cable. This is the cable then connected with this control box part of our pump. 3-phase BLDC pump. The brief instruction information is printed. BLDC means Brushless DC, yeah. And this is a removable waterproof connector, so it is convenient for us as user to keep good maintenance when need. For example, if it really happens that the control box becomes defective, we can remove it off and replace to a new one, yeah. If it is as a whole, so it is not that convenient. And coming from the control box part, this is the DC head connector. Yeah. As to this pump, there are some typical features we want to introduce. One, this pump is brushless DC design, so it works with quite low noise and supports continuous long-term running. But note that it works by the centrifugal force of the impeller's high-speed rotation to push or throw the inflow of water out of the cavity, the outlet, to achieve the performance of pumping or circulation. So this pump cannot dry run without inflow. It cannot be self-priming. Yes. Of course, this pump is equipped with the dry run protection. When in this abnormal, illegal scenario, the pump's dry run protection will be automatically triggered, and it will run and stop for a while, yeah, until the normalcy of the inflow, yeah, the inflow becomes sufficiently again, then the pump will run continuously again. This can reduce the rotation speed and reduce the physical friction, the heat generation in this abnormal scenario. This is protection one. The other protection is that this pump is equipped with the constant power function when the wattage is a bit higher than the rated wattage. Yeah. For example, when the real powering wattage ranges from the 24 volts over 24 volts, the rated wattage, but be within 28 volts DC or 30 volts DC. Yeah. Do not be over high. Yeah. The pump's the power consumption will be kept constant in this abnormal situation. This is a good feature, especially to some scenarios like solar panel powering. Yes. So, dry run protection and the constant power design, and it works with the sine wave control with very little electrical noise. Yeah. Okay. In brief, this pump 20 millimeters, not threaded, with good feature of lift and also flow rate as a whole, and brushless DC design, no noise. So this pump can be widely applied for various scenarios. Yeah, the vehicle cooling, the medical equipment use, some gardening or circulation systems, etc. Okay, if anyone is interested, you can look into this item in further or contact us directly, and we will offer necessary technical support or some further information to you. Yes. Thank you for your time. Alexander, SHYSKY Tech.